back in the Philippines and it's looking to start the new year with a bang or a whack, with the debut of its toughest mid-range phone yet on the local market. As teased earlier, the Honor X9a 5G looks stunning, especially in this titanium silver color variant, and features a display glass made with exceptionally durable materials, allowing it to take toughness to a new level, although we don't recommend trying out any of the stress tests you see here with their unit. And you shouldn't drop the phone back first either, as this could potentially damage the phone's protruded camera ring. But because Honor challenged us to really put the X9a 5G through some serious punishment, we took the phone outside to see if it can withstand a couple of drops and getting run over by an adult on a scooter. As if cracking open a handful of chestnuts in our last video wasn't enough. First up is a drop test where we dropped the Honor X9a 5G screen first on pavement from over a meter high. Ouch! To keep it fair, we did this test twice, and both drops miraculously didn't leave any scratches on the display. Next, we tried running over our Honor X9a 5G with a scooter, and we were pretty sure this test would finally break the phone and our streak of not damaging any of the review phones sent to us. But despite most of the impact being felt on the side, our unit somehow survived without any screen damage, as you can see. So, two things to take away from all this. First, don't attempt any of these tests with your unit, because we can't guarantee that your phone's display glass is as tough as ours. And second, the Honor X9a 5G has an incredibly durable curved tempered glass that is capable of taking a few heart-stopping drops. But what about the rest of the smartphone and the stuff that ships with it? Here's a quick peek at its box contents. As usual, you get a quick start guide, a clear silicone case that we recommend you use with the phone, Honor's 40-watt supercharged fast charge with a USB-A port, and finally, a USB-C cable for charging and file transfer. The retail box and its contents are pretty much standard for a modern phone, no surprises here. As for the device itself, the Honor X9a 5G packs a 64-megapixel main camera at the back, alongside a 5-megapixel ultra-wide and depth sensor and a 2-megapixel macro shooter. The image quality from the main camera is good, especially in daylight scenarios, but we found the secondary and tertiary sensors a bit lacking. Portraits in particular look great, and the edge detection is accurate when handling simple backgrounds. The 16-megapixel front camera is decent too. Inside, the Honor X9a 5G is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 5G chipset coupled with up to 13 gigs of dynamic RAM, allowing for smooth multitasking and fluid gameplay even when running graphics-intensive titles like Genshin Impact and League of Legends Wild Rift. Add to that, the Honor X9a 5G sports a 120Hz OLED screen that is just the right size and produces bright, vibrant colors, ideal for gaming and kicking back to stream movies and shows on streaming platforms like Netflix and Disney+. Plus, it comes with high-frequency PWM dimming and an AI anti-mistouch algorithm that adapts to your usage and prevents accidental touches of the edge with your palm. Battery anxiety is also not an issue here, as the Honor X9a 5G packs a pretty massive 5100 mAh battery that can last a day or two between charges. We actually managed to push our unit close to 3 days before needing to charge again, although we had to enable power-saving mode to help reduce battery consumption. In the Philippines, the Honor X9a 5G is priced at 16,990. For the price, you're looking at an exciting mid-ranger that can literally take a beating while punching above its weight class in design and performance.